Are you looking to improve your health and lose weight? Well, look no further than the keto diet. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has been shown to have numerous health benefits. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake and increasing fat consumption, your body enters a metabolic state called ketosis. During ketosis, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat for energy, leading to weight loss. In addition to weight loss, the keto diet can improve heart health by decreasing triglyceride levels and increasing HDL cholesterol levels. It can also help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a viable option for people with type 2 diabetes. The keto diet has also been shown to have positive effects on brain health, including reducing the risk of epilepsy seizures and improving cognitive function. Furthermore, the keto diet has been associated with a decrease in inflammation, which can have a positive impact on various chronic diseases. Many keto dieters report increased energy levels and mental clarity, as well as a reduction in cravings and hunger. Although the keto diet has many benefits, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or lifestyle change.
Check out the link in the description to learn more about the keto diet. Visit everythingdietandfitness.com.